paradigm again without the translations. Yiktol, tiktol, tiktol, tiktali, ektol, yiktalu, tiktolna, tiktalu, tiktolna, niktol. With handout 15B before you, let's make 9 important observations about the paradigm and its individual forms. The first observation. In terms of your accountability, you must master every form of the paradigm. You must be able to pronounce each one correctly and write each and every form in Hebrew, preserving every point of spelling accurately. Mastery of the paradigm is essential for the study of the various Cal Imperfect weak verb classes in the next chapter of the grammar. Second observation. As does the perfect paradigm, so too the imperfect moves from third person to first person, singular forms, and then plural forms. Third observation. Note that in the Cal stem, only the imperfect conjugation has a verbal performative. There are verbal performatives in the so-called derived stems, nifal, piel, pual, and so on, but not in the Cal. I repeat, in the Cal stem, only the imperfect conjugation has a performative. Observation 4. Note what the performatives are. The consonant yod in third masculine singular and third masculine plural. The consonant tau in third feminine singular, second masculine singular, second feminine singular, and in third feminine plural, second masculine plural, and second feminine plural. The performative is aleph in first common singular and nun in first common plural. So there are only 4 performative consonants in the Cal imperfect: yod, tau, aleph, and nun. Note also that all performative consonants have the Hirik vowel, except the first common singular form, which has segol. Fifth observation. 5 forms of the imperfect paradigm have a sufformative. The second feminine singular has a sufformative consisting of Hirik yod. The third masculine plural has a sufformative consisting of shurik. The third feminine plural has a sufformative consisting of na. The second masculine plural imperfect form has a sufformative consisting of shurik, and the second feminine plural, like the third feminine plural, has a sufformative consisting of na. Our sixth observation. You have probably already noticed that 2 sets of forms are identical in the imperfect paradigm. In each instance, context must provide the proper identification. Having duplicate forms, however, does make paradigm memorization easier. The form tiktol is both third feminine singular and second masculine singular. That means that the form may translate either she will kill or you will kill. The form tiktolna may be either third feminine plural or second feminine plural. That means this form may translate either they will kill or you will kill. Observation 7. In the perfect, the third person plural form is katalu, they killed. This form in the perfect is common. In the imperfect, the third person plural is inflected for gender. And so there are two third person forms. Yiktalu, third masculine plural, and tiktolna, third feminine plural. Our eighth observation. You recognize that the imperfect performative consonant tau is a Begad Kafat letter. From earlier study, you will also recall that an initial Begad Kafat letter will normally have a Dagesh Lene. And so, in our listing of the forms of the imperfect paradigm, the forms with initial tau performative will show a Dagesh Lene in this performative consonant. Observation 9. In the strong verb, the stem vowel is holum, except in those forms that have suffirmatives that consist of a vowel. Second feminine singular, third masculine plural, and second masculine plural. In these three forms, the holum stem vowel is reduced to vocal schwa. Now please, be certain that you fully understand each of these 9 observations. If necessary, listen to this portion of the lecture again. In